getting your pure Egyptian lotion, pour into a bowl. Everything, empty your pure Egyptian lotion into a bowl. Put your tube, your 2 new light lemon tube, into the bowl. Stir very well, because this is a tube. You don't want to just... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous. On this channel we'll film about skincare, product review, supplement reviews, DIYs, everything concerning skincare. So if this is the kind of content you love to know about, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time once I drop a new video. Today I won't be taking much of your time. I'll be teaching you guys how to make a sharp whitening lotion. You can call it your Halfcaste lotion, Snow White lotion, extra whitening lotion, depending on whatsoever you call this lotion. So I'll be giving you guys a very simple and easy recipe. Yeah, you don't need to break a bank to make this recipe. You don't need to leave your comfort zone to make this recipe. So what you'll be needing for this Halfcaste Oshapapa whitening lotion is first your pure Egyptian lotion. Yeah, pure Egyptian lotion is a very good lotion on its own. It lightens people, yeah, it's whitening some people even as well. It depends on how tough your skin is. It lightens some people and it whitens some people. So you need a very strong whitening lotion, which is our pure Egyptian lotion. Meanwhile, you can substitute with this lotion with another very strong lotion that you know. So you need 1 bottle of your lotion, which is our pure Egyptian lotion. You need 2 tubes of new light tube. New light tube is a very strong whitening tubes, yes, and not the ash one, the lemon tube, new light lemon tube. Please do not use the ash tube. The ash tube will make your lotion go watery, and there's nothing you can do about that. The new light ash tube is going to make your lotion watery, and there's nothing you'll be able to do about that. So you'll be using 1 lotion of your pure Egyptian lotion and 2 tubes of your new light lemon tube. New light lemon tube, 2 tubes. And the third thing you need is your pimento serum. This pimento serum is a very strong serum. It has been a very strong serum since day 1, and it's just still as effective as long as you get the original one. And the original one in the market is not so expensive, within 1,500 or 1,000 to get the original one. Yes, you need 2 bottle of your P. Jones serum, and you need half bottle of your skin free milk. Skin free milk is a really strong serum. You don't want to misuse that. This recipe I just gave you is a strong whitening, recipe. You do not want to misuse this lotion. This lotion should only be used at night. Let me tell you guys how to mix this lotion. After getting your pure Egyptian lotion, pour into a bowl. Everything, empty your pure Egyptian lotion into a bowl. Put your tube, your 2 new light lemon tube, into the bowl. Stir very well, because this is a tube. You don't want to just add everything and start having lumps. Stir very well. If you have a mixer will do the job better. Take your mixer and mix, or you get a blender to blend very well. So after blending, you get your pimento serum, the 2 pimento serum you add into this mixture, and the next thing you'll be adding is your skin free milk. In order not to react to this particular lotion, because it's a very strong whitening lotion, get 1 Farmadent tube cream. Empty your Farmadent tube cream into this lotion. In case you want to get any reaction from this lotion, the Farmadent tube cream is going to treat that for you. And also get a bio oil, 1 tablespoon of your bio oil into this mixture. If you can't get the bio oil, you can substitute with your tissue oil, or your rescue oil, whichever one you are able to lay your hand on. 1 tablespoon of each, and add 1 teaspoon of your preservative into this mixture. Mix this very well, and you have your extreme whitening lotion. This lotion is very easy to make, yes, and I advise you not to use this product when you're going into the sun. Use this product only at night. Get a good exfoliating scrub alongside, and a good lotion. My dear, you will come back to this channel to testify to this lotion, because it's a very strong whitening and effective, fast, easy to make lotion. So if this video has been helpful in one way or the other, please kindly click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time once I drop a new video. See you guys on my next video. Until next time, bye. Peace out.